Such a very good height. Winter is coming, which means back to making videos and back to doing projects. You've missed a few. I did a repair on a cutting board for a friend of mine from work that I've known for probably about 20 years. Unfortunately, his board was an end grain board, and he seasoned it with olive oil, and it cracked. He didn't crack it. He rented his house. Someone cracked it. Tried to glue the split. Cleaned it as best I could. Cleaned it. Put about 2,000 pounds of force through some of the big Bessie clamps I've got. Left it for 48 hours. Unclamped it, and it sprung. So they had to get split. And I'll show you some images up here of what it looked like. I actually just ran it through the table saw on the crack and re-glued the entire thing. Not great. It was obviously going a bit rancid. Stank to all heaven, but I got that done. I also got this table done, which was me just messing around, and because it's steaming season, I was out playing trains. I didn't really film it, but it came out really well, and it's sitting upstairs waiting for someone to come pick it up. The next two projects, other than this box that I need to fix for one of my steam trains, is someone wants this coffee table that came with this house. It's a nice old coffee table, but it's the wrong colour for them. They want green. I've used this as my cat table upstairs, which means it's covered in cat poop and various other bits of fluff and crap. So first task on this one is going to be clean all this crap out. Is to get this lightly sanded with some 80 grit, and then I don't know how I'm going to get it green. I don't want to sand the entire thing down because it's already pretty vintagey. But I think I've got some green shit. The other job that's just come in is a hat stand. So a friend of mine asked me to repair a hat stand for them, and they brought it over, and I can't fix it. It's someone's repaired it, glued it badly, it's fucked. So I'm building them a new one out of plumbing fittings. So that'll be an interesting video. Also, there's that great big log over there, which someone has commissioned me to make into a table. But let's go first. First one's the coffee table. Then we'll deal with the hat stand, and then we'll deal with that log. So stay tuned. Sorry for being quiet. Summer, therefore I'm outside, cycling and playing steam trains. I have bought some new tools, more Merkle tools. This is the Deros 5-inch that I've been using for a while. I've also picked up, stay there, I've also picked up, this is the Deos square sander, and then the Deos detail sander. So, I'm all sanded up, which is pretty good. Also really expensive. But it allows me to sand quickly and efficiently. So I am going to bang some music on and get on with this, but stay tuned. There's this project, the coat rack, and then the table coming, and probably some other stuff I shall be posting more often. Let's get to work. We'll fuck that one up. Old wood. Before someone complains about toshing in a screw, someone's already done it to this. I'm just doing what's already there. Oh, that's interesting. No, that ain't gonna work. Right, bollocks. Fuck! Shouldn't have hit that. If you're wondering what this is a very well abused bourbon blade from Bourbon Moth Woodworking, which is one of the most useful things for getting glue out of tight spots. Right, that needs to sit because apparently if you hit something, it falls apart because it was fun. Anyway, we'll continue tomorrow. It's lovely to see you. Remember to like and subscribe. Beer doesn't pay for itself.